Hello everyone, welcome back to Bike Boost today. The 2025 Aprilia RS 125 continues the brand's legacy of delivering high-performance, lightweight sport bikes tailored for young and discerning riders. This latest iteration combines advanced engineering with striking aesthetics, ensuring it remains a standout in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. At the heart of the RS 125 is a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, now updated to meet 5 Euro plus emission standards. This liquid-cooled, fuel-injected powerplant delivers approximately 14.7 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 8.2 lb-ft of torque at 8,000 RPM, providing a responsive and exhilarating ride suitable for both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides. The RS 125 features an aluminum perimeter frame, contributing to its lightweight construction and agile handling characteristics. The suspension setup includes $40 million forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, ensuring stability and precise control during cornering and high-speed maneuvers. With a wet weight of approximately 317 pounds and a seat height of 32.2 inches, the RS 125 offers a balanced and accessible riding experience for a wide range of riders. Equipped with a 300mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, the RS 125 provides strong and reliable stopping power. The inclusion of ABS enhances safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking, offering riders added confidence in various riding conditions. The 2025 model introduces two new striking color schemes, Kingsnake White, which combines an elegant white with bold red accents, and Cyanide Yellow, featuring an intense black paired with vibrant yellow highlights. These fresh designs not only enhance the bike's visual appeal but also reflect Aprilia's commitment to innovative and youthful styling. The RS 125 comes equipped with modern amenities such as a fully digital instrument cluster, providing riders with clear and comprehensive information at a glance. The bike also features full LED lighting, improving visibility and adding a contemporary touch to its design. Additionally, the RS 125 is now equipped with switchable traction control, offering enhanced safety and control, especially for less experienced riders. The 2025 Aprilia RS 125 stands as a testament to Aprilia's dedication to crafting motorcycles that blend performance, style, and advanced technology. Whether you're a new rider seeking a thrilling introduction to the sport bike world or an experienced enthusiast looking for a nimble and efficient machine, the RS 125 offers a compelling package that embodies the spirit of racing in a compact form.